guys, welcome back. As you can see, I worked outside finishing the can lights, which honestly made me suicidal. Took me a really long time to finish those because struggling really hard. But anyways, for the rest of the day, which was enjoyable, decently easy, worked on, these boxes were already here, but I worked on mounting these pieces of strut pipe and then going across the wall. Only this pipe was already there, but I took the easy way. Put a piece of strut, went straight into the box. So only the top pipe. So I just kicked a 90, like 1.5 inches or whatever that is. The strut is 1 5/8 inches. So it goes straight in, then it goes across the ceiling over here. And this is like my first 3-point saddle in my life, besides at school. I looked that up on the internet and it worked out really well. I'm actually really proud of it. So I'm glad I didn't execute myself during the can lights this morning. So that was super exciting for me. It might sound stupid, but anyways, I'm really happy about it. So continuing over here, there's 2 more of them. Try not to trip over all these cords here. So I just kicked a couple more 90s. These 2 left ones right here. So kicked those. Pulled the wire as well. Coworker helped me pull the wire. And then just going across the ceiling over here to the last one. Over here. So when I started this morning, the LB was already there. The pulling nail, the pipe was over here, so I just took off the old piece. I was about to take the anchors out, but I just figured why not just reuse them. So I just pried them off the wall and then put the pipe back on and then hammered them back together. Hammered it back to the wall to close it. So I just replaced this piece and then just kept going that way. And I'll be making these up tomorrow. And here, there's 3 little spots, line, neutral, and ground. So I'm just gonna put a pigtail in there, sort of like this, and then just wire nut these 2 together. So I'll be taking these 2 whites, 2 greens, and 2 blacks. I'll be pigtailing them down to 1. So there'll be a wire nut with 3 whites in it, and one of them will go into here. Same thing with the greens and the blacks. And then it runs over here, across the wall into this box. But I'm not sure if I'm making that up as well. I'm pretty sure I will be. Anyways, that's what I worked on. That's what I worked on for the rest of the day after the outside lights. So I'm heading out now. I'm gonna go to the store, buy some yarn, make my friend make some hats for my friends. So I'll have to go buy like some yarn, different colors and stuff, and that should do it. All right, guys, like I said, I'm going to the store to buy some yarn real quick. And anyways, that wraps up the end of the video. Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And thanks for all the likes yesterday. Let's see if we can beat 19 likes from yesterday. Let's see if we can get a new record. Really appreciate it, guys. Appreciate all the support, all the new subscribers. And yep, that about does it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. It'll help me out. If you got any questions or just want to say whatever you want, I don't care. Actually, I do. Please say something nice. LOL. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Have a great rest of your night. One last thing, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do live streams and upload videos. Thanks, guys. See you later.